Hi, this is Infra Master and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you on how to set up a DHCP server using CentOS 8 and a Windows 10 DHCP client. But before we begin, what is a DHCP server? DHCP stands for the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Is a network management protocol used on Internet Protocol networks whereby a DHCP server dynamically assigns an IP address to each network device so they can communicate with other IP network. To understand better, let's begin the installation. From my screen, you will see I have here that a Windows 10 client with no IP address. And you will see from here, it's showing unidentified network. And from here, we can verify by typing in CMD and then key in ipconfig. So from here, you will see that there's no IP address assigned to this Windows 10 client. And because of that, this Windows will not be able to connect to internet or to any network. So to solve this, we can install a DHCP server by typing in, by the way, this is a CentOS 8. You can key in Red Hat release. And then we can start by installing the package dhcp-server. Key in dnf -y install dhcp dhcp server dhcp-server. Mm. By the way, DNF is a new generation of YAM which uses a dictionary approach to store and retrieve package and dependency. So after installing the package, we can now configure by typing vi, which is vi is a editor, no? So key in vi etc dhcp dhcpd.conf and then key in the parameter for the DHCP server by starting with option domain dash name and then key in your domain name, then semicolon option domain name dash servers, key in your DNS server and semicolon, and then key in the default lease time. So by typing default dash time 10 seconds. Usually the default one is 600, but for this tutorial, I just set it to 10 seconds. And then after that, key in authoritative. And then now key in the subnet range of your network 10.11.140.0 net mask 255.255.252.0 and then key in the network range of the IP address that you would like to lease. No? So inside this particular subnet, so maybe I'll choose 10.11.140.240 up to 10.11.140.242. Okay, and then option broadcast address 10.11.143.255 and then option routers 10.11.143.254 and then close it with closing parameter. So let's try to verify one more time. So key in your domain name, okay, and then the DNS server, and then authoritative, the leasing time 10 seconds. This is the network range, the IP range that you want to lease, the broadcast address based on this network. and your default gateway. And then make sure all the parameters are ending with semicolon. Otherwise, it will result to error. Okay, after that, save and close. Okay, so after saving it, you can now enable it. System it, ctl, enable dhcpd. Okay, so from here you will see that it created a soft link for startup, and then add it to your firewall. Add service. Service equals dhcp dash dash permanent. Mm, mm, dash dash. Oh, sorry. There's an I. Mm, okay, and then firewall dash cmd dash dash reload, and then you can now restart the firewall D and also the dhcpd, and then check the status. So everything is running. So let's go back to the Windows client. So from the Windows client, you can now renew IP address by disable and right click enable again. So by right, it should now be able to get an IP address. You see, it's now showing something like the TV network. And if you key in the IP config again, you will see that it now have a IP address of 10.11.1.4.0.240 and a gateway. To see the full details, you can key in ipconfig slash all, and then you will see the DNS server that I key in, and also the DHCP server IP address. Okay, so I think we're done. We can verify this by typing nslookup, let's say cnn.com, and there you have it. So that's all for today, and I hope you like this video. If you have any topic suggestion that you would like to discuss, please comment down below. So please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.